Hey everyone, this is Alicia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this Phoenix inspired eyeshadow look, so if you would like to see how I created it, just keep on watching. First, I'm priming my lids using the Fiona Stiles Full Cover Perfect Finish Concealer in the shade 10 and blending it out with my Real Techniques concealer brush. I'm setting my lid with the Coty Airspun Translucent Setting Powder. The brush I'm using is the BH No. 4 from the Studded Elegance brush set. If y'all are looking for good and affordable brush set, this is perfect because the quality of every brush in this set is bomb as hell. For this look, I'm using the Huda Beauty Neon Orange Obsessions eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with this yellow shimmer in the bottom row, and I'm applying it with my e.l.f. concealer brush, and this is going to act as my brow bone highlight. I'm patting this shade and using swiping motions to build this color up. Now using my e.l.f. blending brush, I'm applying this macaroni and cheese colored shade that's in the middle of the palette, and it's going to act as my transition shade. Now with my BH V5 blending brush, I'm applying this vibrant orange shade above my crease. I'm using patting motions to build up the shade before going in with small circular and windshield wiper motions to blend this color out. Do y'all see the pigment on this? This whole palette was so much fun to play with. This look was actually a freestyle and I'm absolutely obsessed with how it came out. Now I'm going into the TheMakeupShack Nightfall palette, and I'm taking the shade Wine and applying this directly into my crease using my e.l.f. fluffy crease brush. My vision for this look needed a deep burgundy shade, and this one was the perfect hue to make this whole look come together. This is my second time using this palette and I am absolutely obsessed with it. The quality and pigment of the palette as well as the price point is just totally beyond amazing. So if you guys have a chance, be sure to check this palette out and get it. I'm now going in with my BH No. 8 brush from the same Studded Elegance brush set, and I'm applying that vibrant orange shade to blend out any harshness that was created when I applied that deep shade into my crease. Doing this will also reinforce any intensity that was lost when I added my crease color. I also follow back up with my transition shade and my e.l.f. blending brush to make sure that I keep a seamless blend from brow bone down to crease. To carve out my lid, I'm using my Artist Loft No. 2 brush and some more of my Fiona Stiles concealer. I make sure to look up so that the concealer transfers slightly above my crease and creates an outline so that even when my eyes are open, you can still see the shadows peeking through. I'm carving my lid out in an elongated shape that somewhat imitates a wing liner. I'm now using my Ulta eyeshadow brush to blend out the concealer and to slightly make it tacky. This will give my shadows the perfect base to adhere to. Using an e.l.f. smudge brush, I'm going to apply Wine as close to my lash line as possible. The same gradient that I created from my brow bone down to my crease is the exact same gradient that I'm going to apply to my lid. Going in with my Morphe M156 brush, I'm using the side that has the bigger bristles, and I'm applying that vibrant orange shade above the previous shade while slightly overlapping it. I'm going to wipe the brush off and apply the same shade that I use as my brow bone highlight and apply that all over the rest of my blank base. I'm focusing mainly on the center of the base because I'm going to use the smaller side of the brush for more precision when getting close to my crease. After I place that gold shade down, I'm just going to repeat the previous steps using previous brushes to make sure that my shades are all blended perfectly together. To outline that gold shade on my lid, I'm applying the Wet n Wild Gilded Wings liner, and doing this really allowed the whole look to pop. I'm carefully taking my time on this step, and once I get towards the outer corners of my eyes, I slightly flicked it out to create a wing-like effect. I just went back in with a little bit more wine and that vibrant orange shade to connect it to the wing I just created. This was so that there were no gaps and that the look remained cohesive. For mascara, I'm using my holy grail, which is the L'Oreal Double Extend Mascara to prime and coat my lashes. I'm making sure to wait at least a minute or two before the priming and application and the actual mascara so that I really get the most out of it. If you guys have seen any of my recent tutorials or any tutorial of mine at all, you would absolutely know that this is my favorite drugstore mascara of all time. For lashes, I'm using another one of my holy grails, which are the two cute lashes by Rebel Access. Y'all already know that these are my favorite lashes ever, and I also have a discount code in the description box down below that'll save you money if you ever want to order a pair. I do not make any money off of y'all using my code. It is merely just to save you guys money. I just did the rest of my face off camera, and now I'm lining my waterline with the Ulta Beauty gel liner in the shade Starry Nights. Ulta Beauty really stepped their game up when they redid their formulas, and these gel liners are high-end quality for a third of the price. The blue was just the perfect addition to this look. I'm using my Wet n Wild smudge brush to apply wine as close to my waterline as possible and slightly smoking it out. I didn't tip my face yet because I wasn't done with the eyes, and I didn't want to try and apply shadows over a wet base. Now I'm alternating between all my previous brushes to smoke out my lower lash line, as well as making sure everything is blended. I also know that y'all see my cheekbone highlight. It's actually a mix of the Makeup Revolution Luminous Gold Liquid Highlighter, Morphe's Showmance Bronzer, and the StarCrushedMinerals Honey Buns Highlighter. For my inner corner highlight, I'm applying that gold shade using my e.l.f. concealer brush, and then to finish up the look, I'm coating my bottom lashes. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to like, leave me a comment, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you all soon. Bye.